Everyone within our group worked very well together. We each took all of our responsibilities seriously and each tried to do our part to contribute to all of the work that needed to be done. As time progressed, different methods of trial and error helped us to realize what processes would be most effective in planning and communicating with one another despite our time differences. The combined use of Google Drive services in addition to Facebook's messaging system proved to work particularly well. We found that we did a good job in helping to motivate each other, and additionally we were able to delegate tasks to others that weren't necessarily our forte and effectively concentrate on the ones that we were good at. This helped us to further learn about and appreciate the power of working within a team.
We had a hard time with communication with the language and time differences because we often focused on the unnecessary aspects of the project and did not focus on our main goals. Unexpected trips delayed the process of information. There was no time to meet among and between the groups due to the radically different schedules. We had many unstructured discussions, and we went off on random tangents.
For future students and teams, I have 3 recommendations based on what I learned through the global project. First of all, I believe they should figure out a certain communication mean that everyone is comfortable with. Also, all the members should be easily approachable through this communication method. Secondly, when planning, try to be specific and certain. For instance, when planning for future meeting, try to be specific by elaborating everything for the meeting, such as when and which method you'll be using for the meeting, and even the tasks that should be done before the meeting. Lastly, I believe it would be more time efficient if there is a group representative for each side. By having a group leader when delivering general updates about the project, only the 2 leaders can talk shortly and update his or her group members separately. Also, having a leader would allow the group to be more in control.
Our first recommendation for PayPal is to add the official languages of Singapore to their site to further expand their audience. Secondly, the icons identified in the paper prototype could be updated to relate better to a more modern audience. In general, we see the need for a more streamlined UI, one of which allows users to quickly access the features of the site and their accounts, all of which is conveyed in greater detail in the paper prototype. Finally, PayPal should work to extend their success in the Singaporean website in terms of globalization, localization, and internationalization to other countries, not just replicate the same English version site again and again. Generally, we found that there weren't very many problems in either site, and that PayPal has portrayed professionally their goals and their features.